Okay, so hey everyone, this side Krish, come back with another new video. Now today's video I'm going to show you how we can root your any Xiaomi phone, Redmi phone, Mi series phone and POCO series phone. If you're having this phone, if you want to root, then you can watch this video. My name is Krish and you're watching Technical Krish. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. I will provide bootloader unlocking video in description. If you want to root, then first unlock bootloader, then you can root your device here. First of all, you can notice here I having Xiaomi Pad 6 and it currently running up Android version 16. So first of all, unlock bootloader. After that, you can root your phone here. Then you have to install one application in your device here. Its name is root checker. You can easily install from Play Store here and any app store here. After that, allow all permission. Then you can tap on get started. Then tap on verify root. Then you can notice a storage root access is not properly installed on your device. It means our device is not rooted yet. So let's start this rooting process here. First of all, you have to download some application, some file here. So first, after that, you have to install here Magisk application from GitHub here. So you have to search here Magisk application APK GitHub. Then this type of interface appear here. So you have to tap on first link here and scroll down. And you have to tap on Magisk version 13.07, and if any latest version, then you also can download latest version. After that, install this application here. By this help of application, we can root our device here. So after installing, you have to tap on open here. Then it will ask for some permission, then allow all permission. Then you can notice here super user section and module section is still locked here. It means our device is not rooted here. For routing, you required another Android phone. So I having Motorola Android phone here for as a secondary device here. After that, you have to download software of your device here. So you will notice here I having Xiaomi Pad 6. Then I am going to search here Xiaomi Pad 6 on browser here. Xiaomi Pad 6 firmware. So you have to search according to your device. After that, tap on this link here. Then this type of interface appear here. So you have to scroll down and you have to download software according to your region here. So if your device belong from China variant, European variant, Indonesia, Indian variant, Russian variant, then according to software you have to download same file in your device here. So suppose my device running on China variant, then I'm going to select here China variant. Then two type of software available here, recovery and fastboot. So you have to download fastboot software here and make sure code version is match here. So you can notice here is code version. I know it's different, but for example, I'm going to show you. So you have to download same version. So you can notice here I have already downloaded this same version of software. After that, you have to download another application in secondary phone. Its name is Z-Archiver. After that, open Z-Archiver and select here your download software here. After that, you have to extract out one image file here. Its name is init boot image. In your firmware file, init boot image or boot image both available, then you have to extract out init boot image. If only boot image available, then you have to extract out boot image. After that, you have to install one more application. Its name is Magisk application. Then in primary phone, you have to open here my device section and you have to tap 7 times on OS version or build number or MIUI version. After that, you have to open developer option. First of all, you have to check your device bootloader is unlocked or not. If bootloader is still locked, then you have to unlock bootloader first. I will provide video link in description. After that, you have to enable here USB debugging feature in your device. After that, you have to send boot image to those devices which you want to root. So here is boot image. I'm going to send this boot image in my Xiaomi Pad 6 because I want to root my Xiaomi Pad 6 here. So you can send by the help of USB, by the help of any another method here. It depends upon you. So I'm going to send by USB. So in alarm folder, you can notice here boot image. I'm going to send this boot image in Xiaomi Pad 6 here. And after that, open here Magisk application and you can notice here you have to tap on install button here. After that, select and patch a file. Then you have to select your boot image or init boot image. So in my case, boot image available here. So I'm going to select here boot image. After that, tap on let's go. Then you can notice here after some time here, all done, like this type of text appear here. Then again, you have to send this patch file in your secondary phone here. So I having secondary phone Motorola phone here. So I'm going to send this patch file in secondary phone. So you will find this patch file in download folder here. So open download folder. You can notice your Magisk patch, this type of file appear here. So you have to copy this file and paste in your Motorola, I mean secondary phone here. So after that, you can notice your file is successfully sent here. After that, you have to power off your phone and make sure your both device connected with data cable. If you having C to C type data cable, then you can connect. If you having A to C type data cable, then you also can connect by the help of OTG adapter. For fast boot mode, you have to press and hold your power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, this type of pop-up appear here in secondary phone. If your both device connected with your data cable here, then you have to tap on OK. You can notice here a DEB BUS. A DEB bus, I mean, it means a device code name here. So it means device is successfully connected here. So simply you have to swipe left and tap on thunder icon and then tap on flash icon. Then you have to tick this box, then tap on I understand. Here you have to run some command here for first for INIT boot imager, fastboot space flash space INIT underscore boot. If you having INIT boot image, then you have to run this command. If you confuse between which file I having, so you have to open file manager for confirmation. And you can notice here I having boot.image. If you having INIT underscore boot.image, then you have to run first command. And if you having boot.image, then you can run this command here. After running the command, take a space, then tap on attach icon for both case here. And you have to select here patch image file here. I mean Magisk patch image file here. So you can notice here in bottom section I have copy from on the device here. So select this and tap on select, then tap on play icon. Then it will take around 5 to 10 seconds to flashing this boot image. After that you have to run another command here. It's a fast boot reboot space and reboot space. After that run this command, then it your device will booted in your main system here. So wait for booting your device here. So after booting, you have to open your Magisk application. In some case, it will ask for restart or anything here. So it will ask for restart. Then you have to restart your device. In my case, you can notice a super user section and module section is unlocked here. So it means our device is successfully rooted here. So after that, let's check in root checker application. Our device is rooted or not. So open root checker application. After that, tap on verify root. Then it will ask for some permission. Then allow all permission. Then you can notice here, congratulations, root access is properly installed on your device. It means our device is successfully rooted here. That's all for today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video.